Hello everyone, it's Han here at catcancode.com. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing video of the new longboard that I have just ordered from eBay. I have another smaller longboard here. Another name for it is penny board. So this is very small size of the longboard. Well, it's still a longboard compared to a skateboard because of the wheels and the way it works are different from the normal skateboard with smaller wheels and harder wheels. And today I will open another bigger longboard and I will have a quick comparison with my small little penny board to see what are the differences. The packet is pretty big. Right. Okay. Here we go. So inside is an instruction of the longboard. The brand name is Adrenaline Complete Rock Through Longboard Downhill Cruiser. This is the cruiser type in opposite to my current penny type. The price for this one is 80 Australian dollar. There's another layer of package in here that protect the surface of the board. Let me have a look. Here is the board. Wow, it's pretty heavy and big. Let me get rid of all the packages. Nothing left in here anymore. Wow, look at this. It's pretty big. It's really big, guys. Compared to my smaller, tiny board. As you can see here. Okay, let's open the nylon cover of the board. Hey, Satyajit, how are you? Just recording a video of a longboard.
Oh, you
Yeah, just
You
recording a
use
video. Yeah, it's still on the recording.
Oh, okay.
Talk to you later.
Okay.
See ya. Right. It's not easy to open all these. Wow, it's actually pretty tough. Oh, alright. So Here you can see the name of the ball. It's a Freerider Girl 36-inch double-ended 78 hardness, solid center wheel hubs, and 7-inch drop-through pivot truck with PU bushings. And hopefully you can see the detail of the board in here. This is the name and everything else. I will do another pictures at the end just in case we miss the information. Alright. Too much rubbish. Let me get rid of all these first, so you can have a better look at the ball. I think the only way to remove all these are unscrew in all the metal, how the handle of the wheels here. Otherwise you cannot get rid of all these. So just leave them here for now. So first thing first, let's compare the size of the two boards. So this is the front of my longboard, and this is the front of my penny ball. Like it's only half of the long ball size. As you can see, the wheels are also smaller. And here's the back of the board with the decoration. See this the nylon here, so you can see the decoration better. You can see the whole decoration from here. Can you guys see it? And here is the decoration of my penny ball, which doesn't have anything in it. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoy my unboxing videos, and hopefully you like the design of my new longboard as well. There will be more videos coming in the next few weeks. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.